Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to have a look at the Sony stereo headphones. So the model number is Mdr As210. So it's kind of a sports earphone. As you can see, the picture of a lady working out kind of, and it's written over here for sports. So now first let's have a look at the box first, and then you'll have a look at the main product. So over here on the bottom it says splash proof movable loop hanger. So if your ears are a little bigger, you can adjust it according to it. Hands free phone calls, tangle free surrogated cables. So it's like some kind of a new thing I'm hearing. On the back it says lightweight clip on designed for active use, movable loop hanger for a more secure fit, and splash proof. It has a button to answer all the phone calls and all. It has some kind of play, pause and music for everything. 1 year warranty as it says over here. On this side it says L-shaped golden plated 3.5mm headphone jack. It is also included with a clip. The length of the wire is approximately 1.2 meters, and the price of this is 1290 rupees. And this is one with the calling features and the mic. So, and it also comes with a lower version or the cheaper version which doesn't have the mic and the control buttons. So that comes for around 800 bucks. So now let's have a look at the headphones. So it comes in simple packaging. This one is in the grey color. So as you guys can see here, that's it. I think here's the wire and the 3.5 headphone jack. So over here is the books, that's it, and the clip which is used for attaching it to your shirt or anything like that. So now let's keep all the stuff aside and have a look at the main headphones. So over here, as you guys can see, it has a flat cable, so that's nice. Here is the microphone on the control buttons for answering and for music functionality. 3.5 headphone jack, so which I've already said. And over here are your headphones which goes in your ears. This is the portion, and this goes outside your ears, so it hangs around like that. And if your ears are a little bigger, you can extend this and fit, so it's like for all kind of ears. It's like over here, and here you get your Sony branding. That's it. I think this is a rubberized and a little soft plastic. Over here this portion is a bit hard. So now let's play some song and let's see. I can't show you right now how I would feel it, but I'll show how loud it can get it. So let me just give it a try with the one earphone. So it's not that good, but like still for a like cheaper version of a sports headphone, it's great. Like you can use it and you can use it as a rough and tough. So even if it's broke or it gets cut, you have nothing to worry about, or it's nothing like that expensive. So that's all guys for the Sony Mdr AR210, sorry. So that was my unboxing and overview of the Sony headphones. So if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, like it and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.